In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to Gohighlevel. To get started, head over to Gohighlevel and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your agency view. This is important because the settings you need are found at the agency level, so you want to be in the correct workspace before making any changes. After you're inside the agency dashboard, look for the settings option and click on it. This will open the main settings area where you can manage account-related options and security preferences. On the left-hand side, find and select My Profile. This is where your personal account settings are located. Next, scroll through your profile settings until you see the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA app. Even though the title of this tutorial is about adding Gmail to Gohighlevel, this process is focused on setting up the authentication requirement that may be needed as part of securing or enabling your account connection workflow. Security setup is a good thing to complete carefully since it helps protect your access and account information. Once you find that section, click on Set up Two-Factor Authentication app. After that, Gohighlevel will display a QR code along with a setup key. Now open your Authenticator app on your phone or device. You can use a common app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo. Scan the QR code shown on the screen. If scanning doesn't work for any reason, you can also manually enter the setup key into your Authenticator app instead. Take your time here and make sure the new account is added properly in the Authenticator app. Once that's done, return to Gohighlevel and click Next. The platform will then ask you to verify the authentication app. Open your Authenticator app again, find the newly generated code for Gohighlevel, and enter that verification code into the field provided. Be sure to type the code promptly since these codes usually refresh every few seconds. If the code expires, just wait for the next one and enter the updated version. After verification is complete, your two-factor authentication setup should be successfully enabled. And that's it. You've now completed the setup shown in this process inside Gohighlevel. As a final tip, keep your Authenticator app accessible and consider saving any backup recovery options if the platform provides them, so you don't get locked out later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.